Good afternoon, juniors, grade 11 students, class of 2022. My name is Mr. Ulrich, and I'm the resource counselor here at Springbrook.
And I am Sarah Pramawat. I'm one of your counselor here at Springbrook.
Today, we're going to discuss some of the grade 11 Naviance tasks. The Naviance has been our college career web-based partner for the past 2 years here at Springbrook, and we're super excited about some of the tasks that you must complete this year to support, your college career endeavors. Just as a quick reminder about Naviance. Again, Naviance is our web-based program that supports students with college career readiness. It's a comprehensive program that students, have been using probably since middle school. They focus on four major areas: self-discovery, career exploration, success planning, and one of the most important things to use all the time is post-secondary planning.
So hopefully you've already logged into your Naviance students in the past, and this is what your page looks like. We're also going to demonstrate it for you, but just wanted to get you to notice something that's familiar. This is your Naviance student page, and this is where you're going to be able to navigate through college search, career planning, all these tools for taking surveys, looking at some of your college and career interests, searching for scholarship, and searching for the career that you're interested in.
So grade 11 is super important for the college planning process. Some students have already been researching college majors, been looking at certain schools in different states. But I want to make sure this year that you're definitely taking this whole process extremely serious and talking to your parents and having those conversations today and exploring different colleges and doing some virtual college tours and making sure that you guys are doing the research now. I know we're in a virtual space, so Naviance is a great resource to start doing the research at your home. So, keep in mind, some of the benefits of Naviance. Obviously, we mentioned college planning, exploring careers, searching different colleges. Next year, as a senior, you'll be applying to different colleges through either the Common App, the Coalition, or directly to certain colleges. Most of these schools work directly with Naviance. So we send transcripts and we send transcripts and information to schools from what you put into Naviance. So it's very important you familiarize yourself with the whole platform if you haven't been doing it already. It's very important. Also, scholarships. You probably not know that you could actually research scholarships and financial aid resources on Naviance. You could look up your GPA if you want. You could kind of look up some standardized exams. So if you took the PSATs already, or if you took their SATs, I'm not sure who did it last year, but if you took that already, some of those results should be in your Naviance account. Also preparation for PSATs and ACT exams. One of my favorite features in Naviance is the college planning process. So back in the day, we had to kind of pick up a big, thick book and do research of a particular career. Now you have everything at your fingertips. You can research different careers. You want to see the job outlook for an accountant in the state of, let's say, Utah or the state of Massachusetts. What's the earning potential of a particular let's say an attorney, or let's say if you want to be a person who's dealing with in the banking industry. So you have different resources to do the research to kind of figure out what you want to do. Also, if you heard about a career but doesn't know what that career particularly entails, Naviance does most of that work for you. Just type in the name of the career you're looking for, and all the information is there for you. One of my other favorite features is the planning, the planning process of Naviance. You help you set goals. You're able to research different, or create different resumes. You can sign up for college fairs and as well as college visits. And let's say, for example, you're looking for another option. There are different military options as well through Naviance. So please take advantage of this resource.
Okay, so this year, Naviance have made signing in even easier. You don't need a password or your ID this time. You just need to go into your mcpsmd.net, which is your Gmail platform. You're going to locate the Naviance logo. So you're going to look for this right here. We just call it the Google waffle. And then you're going to locate the Naviance logo. Click on that. Again, no need for username or password.
So today, we have 2 tasks that must be completed by all juniors. This is a requirement, something that we have to kind of make sure you guys are completing. One is called the super match. It's one of my favorite features in Naviance, just because you could filter through all 4,793 colleges and universities to kind of find out what is the best fit for you. Fit is so important. Do you want to stay in Maryland? Do you want to go to school in New Jersey? You want to go to school in Florida? Based off your GPA, would you have a great chance to get into this school versus that school? It does all the work for you by kind of selecting certain filters that you kind of narrow your choice of different schools. When you're done, we want you all to actually add 3 colleges to your favorite list. Let's say, for example, when you do this filter, the college may not show up on your as your results. It's okay. You can still add any school you want to your favorite list. So you have you need to do the super match. Second thing, you need to add 3 colleges, and the last thing is to create a post-secondary goal. So under planner, you click on locate goals, scroll down, click on the plus button, and you guys can kind of select your post-secondary goal, and they'll ask you 2 or 3 questions, and then your guys are completed. So you actually have 3 tasks here. I'm gonna put 1 or 2, but you actually have 3. The super match, and then you'll click on, you'll add 3 colleges to your favorite list, the schools that I'm thinking about. And last but not least is the post-secondary planning tab. So right now, Ms. Palmawat is going to model exactly what we need you guys to do. And then we'll graciously ask your advisory teachers to provide you all with the instructions on how to get it done. So you're gonna see the same exact thing on your screen. If you need help with anything, you can simply ask a counselor, or you can kind of replay this video.
Okay. So once you log in, this is the page that you're going to see. And you're going to click on the college tab up top right here. Click on home. And then the very first one is super match. And again, this is very helpful because you can look at it and put in your criteria for location, academic, admission, student life, diversity. What are some of the characteristics of the institution? Cost is extremely important. If you're thinking of playing sports, whether it's D1, 3, 2, or just within your own school, what kind of athletics teams they have, some of the resources that they have, and you could choose to have put those requirements in your must-have, meaning that it is a deal breaker, that institution must have some of these criteria, or that it's nice to have, important, but not a deal breaker. Here, you will go into making your selections, starting off with region, something that you have to think about, where you would like for your schools to be, campus and surrounding. So this is where you're going to go in for each, and you can make your selections here. Once you've done that, then you're going to go in and add 3 colleges that's on your favorite list. And again, as Mr. Ulrich said, if the colleges, it's going to show up down here. If it's not what you're looking for, or it's not the school that you're thinking of, you can always manually add in that name. You can search for the college name right here as well. And then after that, you're going to go back to your home page, or I'm sorry, you're actually going to go to My Planner. And you can create your goals. You're going to click this plus button right here, post-secondary goal. And then here is where you're going to start adding your goal. Why is it important and what steps you would need to take. And then you would just add your goal, and you'll do this 3 times. So you'll add 3 post-secondary goals.
Awesome. Thank you, Ms. Palmawat. Please, please, please make sure you knock this task out. It's very important that we get this important data, especially the goals, just because when we have some real conversation with you later this school year, it's going to be very important we bring up your Naviance information and figure out your goals and make sure that we are matching up certain courses and making sure we're matching up certain colleges based off your goals, what you want to do for the future. So again, thank you advisory teachers for your support. Thank you students for completing this task ahead of time. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your counselor. And also please check out our website and follow us on Twitter, SBHS Counseling. And have a very good day and enjoy the rest of your school year. Thank you.